Master ISO Auditing, the ISO Internal Auditor online workshop. Are you ready to streamline your organization for success? Unlock career-changing expertise with the ISO Internal Auditor online workshop by Management Systems International, MSI. Build your auditing skills under expert mentors and master ISO standards from the comfort of your home. A great way to cross-train leaders across departments. Delve into the fundamental principles of auditing and ISO standards. This quick start workshop equips you with practical tools to conduct effective audits, focused on ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, 13485, and is 9100. It provides versatile knowledge applicable across industries. Considering to becoming an ISO consultant? This program is ideal for leaders seeking process improvements and compliance. It's also tailored for independent auditors looking to master internal audit practices. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned specialist, this workshop paves the way. Gain confidence under the guidance of Diana, an industry leader with over 25 years of ISO experience. Learn from someone who's helped more than 70 companies achieve first-time ISO certifications. You'll be in exceptional hands. Understand fundamental auditing principles and receive training on planning, conducting and reporting internal audits, using workbooks and worksheets for accuracy, auditing processes while ensuring total audit program effectiveness. Dive into critical areas, an overview of ISO standards and applications, key differences between various ISO standards, implementation of process-based auditing strategies, build internal skills or upskill for your current organization. This workshop serves as a refresher and a foundation for those planning advanced studies, like dedicated ISO 2-day classes. See all of our courses msi-international.com store. Empower new professional horizons. Visit msi-international.com.